morning children. Welcome to today's class. Today we can discuss exercise 8.3 question number 6. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum compounded annually, find the first one compounded annually, second one compounded half yearly. Okay, here P is equal to rupees 80,000, R is equal to 10% and N is equal to 1.5 years. Okay, so here N is equal to 1.5 years. So first calculate the amount for 1 year using compound interest formula and then calculate simple interest for 6 months. Okay, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 all raised to N. Okay, so it is equal to P means it is 80,000. 80,000 into 1 plus R means it is 10 by 100 all raised to 1. Okay, so it is equal to 80,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 means it is 1 means 100 by 100, 100 plus 10 it is 110 by 100 all raised to 1 now. So 0 cancelled, 2 zeros cancelled, remaining 800 into 110. That is equal to 800 into 110. It is equal to 88. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 88,000 rupees. Amount equal to 88,000 rupees. Okay. Therefore, interest for first year is equal to I is equal to amount minus P. Amount means 88,000 minus P means it is 80,000. So that is equal to 8,000 rupees. Interest for first year it is equal to 8,000 rupees. Okay. Then calculate a simple interest for a half year. Okay. So simple interest I is equal to PRT by 100. Substitute the value. P means it is 88,000. Okay. 88,000 into R means 10 by 100 into T means it is half years divided by 100. PRT by 100. Okay. It is equal to 88,000 into 10 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 100. Right? 100 means 100 by 1. Take the reciprocal. It becomes 1 by 100. Then 2 0 cancelled. So 2 and 880 we can cancel. Common factor 2. 2 into 1. 440. So remaining 440 into 10. That means 4,400 rupees. Okay. Interest equal to 4,400 rupees. Therefore, total compound interest equal to interest for the first year it is 8,000 plus interest for the half year it is 4,400. So total compound interest it is equal to rupees 12,400. Okay. Total compound interest it is equal to rupees 12,400. Okay. Therefore, amount equal to P plus I. P means it is 80,000 plus total compound interest it is 12,400. Okay. So, it is equal to rupees 92,400. Okay. Second question. The interest is compounded half yearly. Okay. Interest is compounded half yearly. P principal is equal to rupees 80,000. Okay. R is equal to 10% per annum. Okay. So here 10 by 2% per half year. Okay. 10 by 2 means it is 5%. 5% per half year. N is equal to 1.5 year. 1.5 years. So it is equal to 3 half years. Okay. 1.5 years included 3 half years. Okay. So equation amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 all raised to N. That is equal to P means 80,000 1 plus r means 5 by 100 all raised to 3. Okay, it is equal to it is equal to 80,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 means 1 means 100 by 100, 100 plus 5, 105 by 100 all cube. Okay, no? So it is equal to 80,000 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. Then simplify. 2 0 cancelled. Here also 2 more zeros cancelled. So remaining 8 into 105 into 105 into 105 by 100. Okay. So that is equal to rupees 92,610. Okay. Then we need to find the difference between the amount. Okay. So difference between the amount is equal to difference between the amount is equal to 92,610 minus 92,400. 0, 1, 2. So difference between the amount, it is 210 rupees. Okay.